The middle one?
This is that crazy fire.
Nice.
Lay down some support, please. No, it's OP2.
They said OP2, I think.
Yeah, they said OP2. No, they said the flag was... I think he got it wrong. I think it's OP3.
I think it's supposed to be OP3. Do you guys see a flag?
Yeah, it's right there.
Oh, yeah. All right, it's supposed to go to OP3.
OP3.
There we go. Hey, kid, how many are over there? 2? Come on. Hey, that blue barrel? Is that one of our teammates? Oh, yeah, it is.
Yeah, yeah.
All right.
The Alex name over there.
Damn, I didn't load that much BBs in that one. Actually, there was a lot of rounds, thinking about it. Oh.
One in the window of the base.
He's ABUs, but...
Ben! One's in the window of the base! You can get a clearer view over here!
Move up!
What? Alright. If you look right here, you can see him. If you look right here, you can see him.
I don't know if that AB good.
I'm moving out that way.
Alright.
See, I'm not that close. Get up there. Ready? Nope. Yeah, dude, I got it. Window of the base, dude.
Window of their base?
Their base, yeah, window.
Okay.
There's 2 of them.
They spawn in that base or?
Yeah,
Alright.
they spawn in that base.
No, they have to go back to their respawn.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Hey, how many people?
Alright.
Hey, how many do you see? Alright. At their base or?
Yeah, so OP1.
Okay. Alright. Hey, on your back. Hey, hey, watch out over there. Coming through the brush line.
Alright, we're closed for business. Come back tomorrow.
Holiday schedule. Hey, we got OP1. Yeah, move up on this side. Yes. Watch out. You're in the open over here.
Yeah, one off the right over here. Yeah, one up ahead here.
Watch out, there's one right there behind that tree. Hey! Whew. All right. Hey, is OP1 secured? All right. All right. No, I think we lost it. All right.
Incoming! From their fucking side!
All right.
Op1.
It's looking pretty bad. There's about 4 people over there. Our people that were over there, they retreated back, probably to where I'm at, straight line to the side, and they have a line going through the tree on the right side.
Alright, how you looking on OP1?
I still got about 2 people, and I think there's 2 people on my left. I don't see them.
Inside or outside?
They're inside on the back.
One on the right too. Which way are you aiming? Okay.
You come here. You want elbow, you gotta come here. Alright, fine.
One running across the field.
Oh, call that.
Hey, we just took 2 guys out. You want to try to move? I'll get their distraction on the right if you want to go straight down the middle.
Sounds about okay?
Ready?
Yeah.
Get their distraction.
Oh. You got it? Hit! Hey, bang!
Damn.
Hey, Big Mac coming out!
LP1's ours!
For long.
We're taking it. You can't take it back. It's mine. It's all mine. Hey, call it. Anybody got a timer? Anybody got a timer?
No. I got tagged, man. 5 minutes?
Yeah. Hey, I want you guys. Hey, if you can, move to the tree line over here. Move to the tree line somewhere over here.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, stay right by me. Hey, don't peek out too much. They like coming over here. Hey, if you see anything moving in, kid, tell me, all right? Watch out on the right side. One's moving in. The left, I don't know. Take a quick peek. I have no idea. Just watch out.
He's lying down. Yeah, he's lying down.
Where?
Like right there behind the tree.
How many meters do you think? Or feet?
30 meters.
They're looping that side. They're looping that side. Hey, we got guys looping that side.
All right.
Okay. See him through the woods?
From duck and cover or what?
Yeah, around that area. Me and you want to loop that way? Yeah. We have a person right here too. Okay.
Shoot at anything that looks suspicious. I don't know where that guy's at.
There's somebody right there.
All right. Hey, watch out. There's 2 moving on that side. You guys, 2. Two of them moving to the side over there.
Duck and cover! Duck and cover! Duck and cover!
Oh,
Hey, fall back, fall back.
fall back.
They got duck and cover! Guy coming middle! You guys are here!
Swap them at. Hey, watch out, man. They're on the to where you're at. They might be on the side. Hey, watch out that side, man. Last thing I need is another person out.
Hey!
Oh, God damn it.
Yeah, he's...
What? Hey! Lost it.
One coming down to off. Watch it.
Yeah, watch out. I don't know where they're at.
Those are ricocheting off trees.
Yeah, I don't see him though. Guess he sees me. I don't see him.
I see him.
Where's he at?
He's moving up here. He's moving.
Where, in that big bush right here?
No.
Oh.
That right there. You see the movement now? He's right behind that tree right now, and he's...
Oh, okay. Oh, that was that kid in the field.
There he is.
You ready to light him up? Hit him! Oh, sorry. Oh, wait, hold on.
We hit him.
I don't even know if anybody's in OP1.
He was just going to it.
Is anybody else in there?
I don't know.
See, there's those shots in the back. Yeah, I don't know.
It's like over by the truck or something.
What truck? Whoa!
Whoa! Hit!
Up, hit! Damn.
That was one dead-on shot.
This would probably bounce from a tree or something.
What?
All right. You done?
Got one in Op1.
Man, a guy gone 2 line.
Alright, stay out in the open 2 line. You don't want to get hit. Some Black Widow.
Watch out, we had one person go to the right into the woods.
No, I know. The 2 guys that came down got beat up on. The 2 guys down there, over on the barrel there. I'm gonna go over there. Alright.
Hey, pass the word along. Force is good. We got the force.
Okay.
Pass it along to him.
Hey, Kyle. Force is good, pass it on. The force is good.
Whoever's down that line, tell them. Tell them to keep passing it on.
Is there anyone near the duck and cover thing or no?
Yeah, I think there's someone at that wire spool right there, right in front of me.
Double tree right there. Pull up the it. Hold up the lid and up again.
I don't think I can do much use over here. Hey, right side, right side. Hey, Alex, right side.
Hey, we have one laying right here. Laying down right behind us, right here. You see the guy laying down? Did he move?
No.
Right there. He's still laying. Hey, you guys, find him.
He's right there, he's right there. You out? All right. Sorry, raise your hand, man. Laying down, person down.
Good. All right.
Oh shit,
Hey,
there's another one there.
set this perimeter. You guys move that way. We don't
Hey.
want them to get that.
Hey, where that guy was laying down, there's another person 20 feet behind him. He's also laying down.
Oh my God.
Oh,
Dude, I'm down on my last mag too.
did you take 25s?
Huh?
You take 25s?
25s?
I got 25 there. I think I'd try to take
I'll just load one. Perfect.
120 rounds.
Yeah. Huh? Yeah.
Do we need,
Dead player!
do we need someone inside?
Yeah. Let's keep this. We don't need nobody in there.
Whoop.
I just don't see them.
That guy's laying down. Where that guy was laying down at, he's 20 feet behind him. He's also laying down. He's a little farther back. Oh shit, he moved.
Got one down.
All right.
Yeah, I don't see him. Hey, get in this tree line. Let's cover all this. Set up a line. Set up a line. Nobody gets shot to the
Sorry!
left side.
I got that guy laying down.
Oh, dude, that was a good push. Good job.
Yeah. I was over there and I was sitting over there. I'm like,
Once
"Come on."
that guy made eye contact with me, I just held the trigger and I was like, go!
You good, man?
Hey, nice job, guys. Good job, dude. You made eye contact with me and I was like, crap! No shit! I thought there were 2 guys in here.
I think there was. Maybe one got out.
I just saw one moving right over there where he's walking.
Yeah, I see him. Woo!
What magazine? What type of magazine is
GMP?
it? Are these those high speeds?
I think so.
I've never tried one.
They actually work good. I mean, they fit my L85 ICS. Usually my ICS is a little pig with mags, so they fit that. They fit my GMP. They fit this.
I'm gonna.
So-
I'll refill it. I'll refill the ammo for you. I want to know how this thing shoots.
It shoots pretty well. Well, for all my guns.
I love my KWA mags, but oh dang, these fit tight.
Yeah.
Here they come.
Woo! I thought you got him right there. All right, nice.
They're really tight around me. I love this. Look, they don't